They're paint head screws. I can't focus it enough. We're only replacing this side, not that side.
Let's find the next one.
Wait, it's screwed into the...
Yep, that's how they support the whole thing into the bottom of the camper.
But still, do we have to cut it?
So this is gonna have to get cut here, and this back piece has to get cut. And I'm gonna first actually take a straight edge, like a ruler, and score it here so I have a straight edge to go. So this straight line here, I want it to continue a straight line all the way down.
Yeah, we could make like the line, and you could cut and make the line, so, and then I'll cut and.
You just want to use the Japanese saw?
Yes.
Well, we'll figure that out. We'll figure out a use for that. Okay.
Yay! Thanks.
All right. But first thing I got to do is figure out what's going on back here, because if you bring this camera down, let me show you. Yeah, let's use the light from the. There are two screws that go from this board into this board, but one of them's covered by this bottom piece.
Ooh.
So I need to pry that bottom piece away so I can get in there with that screw.
Can
you can do it if you can.
Yeah, I can.
Pry without hurting it.
Okay, I just need like the. Is the bottom staying?
Is the bottom staying? No, the bottom has to go.
Okay. Yeah. I could just get my hammer and tap it in there and take it out.
Here, you want to tap the top of the screwdriver?
Yeah. Watch your hands.
Stop. Keep going a little bit more. A little bit more. Did you purposely hit my wrist that time?
It was an accident.
Sure.
Yeah, it was. Hammer?
No, I'm going to take the one screw out. How did that hammer just come flying in here?
I tried to put it down, but it hit my knee and went rolling.
Okay, well stop doing that, because like I said, I don't want this messed up. Okay?
Ooh.
If you look, are you able to see in there with the camera? You see that we're getting just a V shape here, and it's where all those staples are.
Cool.
You see that?
Yes, I do see it.
Put this one back on the wall, so this whole thing doesn't move.
Oh, can I try that?
Yeah.
What the?
Here. So what you do?
Is pry it.
Yeah, but just move slowly. On it. It has to be on the side. You can't go straight down. There it goes, like that, on the side. And pry out. Slowly. And move a little bit. There you go. Keep going slowly. Go around that staple. Keep going. Good job. No, wait, if you hear crunching wood, you're going too hard. Let's see if we can get the drill to fit.
So what are you doing there?
I'm getting that bottom screw out. I'm pushing this back with my fingers so the drill can fit behind it. And getting that bottom screw out. So now this piece is completely separated over here, and then we just have to mark the other side.
Oh, cool. We're making a line.
I'm making a line, right?
So we can cut the
I'm
thing.
just lining this up. So make a straight line. Then I'm going to just kind of score it with the screwdriver. All this stuff is
Woodish.
well, yeah, it's a particle board that has
Brownish.
a brown
color.
paper covering it.
Wait.
So if you look on the back, go around, it's just got, it's particle board, and it's got paper wrapped around
Can I
it.
feel it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Try to cut.
Let me
Line it
stick
up.
with the line. Make sure I'm sticking with the line. So the Japanese saw makes a very fine line. Look at that line. if I get the dust out of it, do you even see the line anymore? It's literally the same thickness as where I scored it.
Can I try to cut?
You can try and cut. Try and keep it straight with the other piece of wood, okay? I keep seeing the, see how it's going in on an angle now?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, we don't want the angle. Here, let me get in there, please. Yeah, somehow you chewed up the backside too, but it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's learning, right?
Yeah. Can I try again?
You can try again. So I'm not pressing down at all. And there's no downward motion. I'm just bringing it back and forth very lightly.
No.
And I'm just putting this finger on here very lightly so it'll slide back and forth. Like that, okay?
Yeah.
And look. Now, when we clean it up, we're back in that line again, okay? So what you got to do, and keep it kind of in a downward angle, so you're cutting one direction, okay?
Yeah.
You want me to get in here?
Hold it.
Here, I'll hold the top.
Oh, that is really easy. Smells weird.
The wood's getting cut?
It's probably the paper.
No, that's probably just that particle board. Look, we are on a slight angle.
It's fine.
So no, let me get the camera in here. So you're doing really good. You're at a slight angle, but you're doing a great job. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's get back in there. Stop. Hold the camera. I need to get in and check something. It looks like we started on a very bad angle at this point. So I need to get in there and fix that because that's going to be visible next to the fireplace.
Sorry.
It's okay. It was my fault for not watching that closely. So you see, if you look down here, you see that's your cut line right there, and that's our mark. Oh, there's not going to be a way to resolve this. Well, you know what? It's at the floor, around the base of the fireplace. It should be fine.
Yeah.
Mommy's not going to be that worried about it.
So that board right there, we're trying to cut off.
That board, yep. We're going to cut that board off, but we're keeping this other
So,
stuff.
what do you think the funnest part is so far?
Funnest part of this project?
Yeah.
It's actually working with you. I'm having a good time trying to show you how to do this stuff. So if you look down, we only have a little bit of a groove now.
Yeah.
So,
Where are you? How deep are you?
well, I'm all the way through, but I've only gotten down here. But I want you, after I get this saw below there, to finish up that. And do you want me to cut off this back piece so you're not dealing with this back one?
Just groove it halfway.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Hammer?
Yep, where's the hammer? And you just put the camera literally down on the floor.
It's just... Oh, is that fine?
Yep, that's all we need to do. That's just a trim board. Now, you can finish up that cut
Yay.
on the front.
Yeah, I'm at the bottom.
Okay. Push in on the board. Okay, well, it is what it is. Here, come here, take this. Let me see what happens.
I think they glued it to the bottom.
No, it just still had some
Oh.
on there.
Is it fine?
It's fine. We can recover. We can recover. There was just a little bit of board left that you didn't get. But it's okay. This is going to be usable.
That's it.
We just cut on a weird angle. But it's okay. Yeah, there's staples and stuff in there.
Okay.
So this, we have to cut it off anyway when we build it up here to build this new
With the
cabinet up
tiny
top.
saw?
No, I'm probably going to use a circular saw or table saw or something. Get that piece out the back. Then we're going to run the vacuum and test fit the fireplace.